Retractable room dividers with pockets transform open-plan small homes by giving privacy and storage in one compact system. Start by choosing the right type for your layout and daily habits to maximize function. Sliding panel dividers with built-in shelves work well along long walls. Install a ceiling-mounted track and floor guide, measure twice for smooth travel, and load shelves close to the track to avoid torque. Accordion dividers with sewn pockets are lightweight and fast to deploy. Pick heavy-duty fabric and reinforce seams with a narrow strip of interfacing, so pockets hold books and small bins without sagging. A bookcase room divider anchored to the floor brings the most stable storage. Secure it to floor joists or use a threaded rod to tie it down, and stagger shelf depths to keep items organized without crowding the pathway. Hanging canvas panels with pockets are ideal over short spans. Use recycled canvas, stitch pocket edges with bar tack stitches at stress points, and hang from curtain hardware with clip rings so you can adjust height or remove panels to launder them. Movable partitions with a pegboard face give flexible storage for tools and kitchen utensils. Add uniformly spaced peg holes, use matching peg hooks to keep items visible, and fit heavy items low to maintain stability. 3 common mistakes happen when people add pocketed dividers to small homes, and each has a simple fix. Overloading pockets so panels sag and tracks bind is common. Fix this by limiting each pocket to light items and distribute weight evenly across multiple panels. Installing without anchoring heavy dividers risks tipping and injury. Mitigate that by anchoring bookcase dividers to the floor or wall and using anti-tip brackets rated for the unit weight. Choosing non-washable fabrics near cooking or entry areas leads to grime buildup and odor. Prevent that by selecting removable, machine-washable panels or using wipeable laminated pockets where necessary. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pocketed retractable dividers, so we can help you find local options that match your needs. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, real-world photos, and contractor experiences to make planning and hiring easier for both sides.